ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Odyssey. Um, so yeah, I don't know where to begin. The last video I made, I said I met people. Well, those people, they turned out to be uh, not the kind of people you want to run into. So I only stayed 2 days there. I don't know if I said that already. Um, then I moved to another park, and then I stayed 2 days there. I didn't make any videos while I was there because it was like a windstorm or something going on. There was really no way to. I mean, it really wasn't even safe to be out of the van, even though I did spend some time out of the van. Other than going to the bathroom, I walked around a little bit. I played some basketball. Um, and yeah, I just enjoyed a little bit of time there. The bathroom was kind of close. They had a trail up to it, kind of like a staircase slash trail type thing. Um, I took a lot of pictures of it, but I didn't make any videos while I was there. Just it wasn't really noteworthy to watch a bunch of dirt blow around in the wind and the ripples on the lake from the wind, and nobody bringing their boats out because the water was too choppy. So yeah, the the wind finally kind of let up a little bit right as I was leaving. My reservation for that last night was running out, and it was another weird thing. The whole 48 hours that I was there, I only spoke to one person that entire time, and the only thing that was said was "How's it going?" And it was a park ranger. I was in the bathroom checking it out when I got there, and he walked in a little bit after I did, and we both said "How's it going?" at the same time, and he walked right out of the bathroom, and I continued to look and investigate. But for the remainder of my 2 days there, I didn't talk to a single soul. Not one. So then I was looking for spots at other parks, um, trying to move, trying to move westward, but there was a lot of there was a lot of people. There was a lack of available camping spots. So what I ended up doing was getting on the interstate and stopping at a KOA spot, which is where I am now, and also don't intend to stay very much longer. Um, don't really know where I'm gonna go next.